Broken pipes? Oh no, the ceiling light's leaking water. Has anyone called a plumber? And now the elevator's not working. Need better control managing your operations to ensure a professional and timely response? PropertyTRAK is a CMMS building operations solution that transforms and organizes your business and saves up to 35% a year. PropertyTRAK automates workflow processes. It provides a common platform to submit service requests to any department and integrates employees, technicians, and vendors directly. Our mobile app supports email and text notifications, as well as photos, diagrams, and files associated with work orders. Integrated Google Maps steer technicians and vendors to pending work locations. QR code labels help manage assets, locations, and inventory. Recurring preventive maintenance and custom checklist procedures ensure that work safety and quality standards are maintained. Project tools coordinate technicians and vendors to complete multi-step tasks. Floor plan diagrams show the building layout, makes room reservations and setup a breeze. Customize PropertyTRAK with your own headers, custom dashboards, and reports with your logo. PropertyTRAK offers emergency response plans, critical messaging, and support for business continuity. Reduce risk, enhance communications, improve productivity. Any device, anytime, anywhere. Visit PropertyTRAK.com and request a demo.